Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome, dear learners. I hope you are well and safe by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Musharraf Hussain, Assistant Teacher English. Today, I am going to take an English class for the students of class 8 on transformation. Dear students, we may call transformation as changing sentence. There are several items of changing sentence or transformation, such as affirmative to negative, negative to affirmative, assertive to interrogative, assertive to exclamatory, voice change, degree, simple complex compound. Although simple complex compound is out of syllabus of class 8, among them today I will discuss about affirmative to negative, how to change affirmative sentence into negative. We should remember that if we change affirmative sentence or negative sentence, we should not change the meaning. We can change structure. There are some basic rules to change affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Okay, let's start. Rule number 1. If we find only or alone with a person, dear students, if we find only or alone with a person, we should change it by using none but before the past. Example: only Rohim went to Dhaka. None but Rohim went to Dhaka. This is the answer of the affirmative sentence to negative. Okay, dear students, you can see only is used in the affirmative sentence. We should change this only by none but before the person. So it is the answer of this affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Dear students, if we find only with a thing, we should use nothing but. Nothing but instead of only. I am giving an example for understanding. She bought a book only. Okay. There is only in the affirmative sentence, so we should use by using nothing but before the thing. She bought nothing but a book. Okay, dear students, it is the answer of this affirmative sentence to negative. You can see that there is only with a book, so we should change the only by using nothing but. She bought nothing but a book. Here we use nothing but instead of only. Okay. Dear students, if we find only with age or number. If we find only with age or number, we should use not more than or not less than instead of only. I am giving an example. She was only 10 years old. Dear students, in this affirmative sentence there is only with age. So we have to change only by using not more than or not less than for a negative sentence. She was not more than 10 years old. Okay, is it clear? Okay, dear students, rule number 2. If we find must, have to, has to in the affirmative sentence, we should use cannot, but, for, cannot, have. Okay, for understanding I am giving an example. Russell must do the work. Dear students, in this affirmative sentence we can see there is a must, so we have to change this must for negative sentence. Russell cannot but do the work. It is the negative sentence of this affirmative. We can answer in another way of this sentence. Russell cannot help doing the work. Okay, dear students, if we use cannot help, we have to add ing form with main verb. So Russell cannot help main verb do, we have added ing with the main verb. So this is the another way for answering of this affirmative sentence. Is it clear? Rule number 3. Dear students, if we find to in the affirmative sentence, we should use so that plus subject plus cannot or could not. Okay, example. He is too weak to work. Dear students, it is the affirmative sentence. In this affirmative sentence, to and to is used. We can change this sentence into negative sentence by using so, that, and we have to add subject and cannot or could not before the main verb. Okay. He is so weak that we use so instead of to, and another word that we use instead of to, and we have to add subject after the that. He. This is the present form of the verb, so we should use cannot. Main verb is were. Okay, it is the answer of this affirmative sentence. Is it clear to you? Rule number 4. Dear students, if we find both and in the affirmative sentence, we should use not only but also instead of both and. Not only but also. Okay. Russell bought both a book and a pencil. Dear students, in this affirmative sentence, both and is used, so we have to change it into negative sentence by using not only but also instead of both and. Answer is Russell bought not only a book but also a pen. This is the answer of this affirmative sentence. Here you can see both is used and also used, and we will change. Okay, dear students, you can see in this affirmative sentence both and is used, so we use not only and but also instead of both and. Okay, it is the answer. Is it clear to you? Okay. Rule number 5. Dear students, if we Dear students, rule number 5. If we find many in the affirmative sentence, we should use not a few. Example is I have many friends. Dear students, you can see many in the affirmative sentence, so we have to change it into negative sentence by using not a few. Answer is I have not a few friends. This is the answer. Dear students, if we find mass in the affirmative sentence, we should use not a little. Okay. There was much water in the pond. Dear students, you can see mass in this affirmative sentence, so we have to change it into negative. There was not a little water in the pond. You can see there is a change of mass by using a little, not a little. Okay, this is the negative sentence. Another example for you, rule number 7. If we find a few, we should use not many in the negative sentence. Okay. She has a few cards. She has not many cards. Dear students, this is the answer of this affirmative sentence. Here you can see a few is changed by not many. Not is used here. Another example, rule number 8. Dear students, if we find a little in the affirmative sentence, we should use not much. There is a little water in the glass. It is the affirmative sentence. So we have to change it into negative by using not much. Okay, dear students, this is the answer of this affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Okay, dear students, this is the answer of this affirmative sentence to negative sentence. Dear students, now I am giving you some homework for practice. Okay, thank you, dear students, for watching my lecture on affirmative to negative.